Insurance? Gastos lang yan. Ganyan dapat ang mindset mo. If you don't care about your future. Let me explain. Insurance is one of the most important things we must have that some people think is not necessary until they absolutely need it. Guys, real-life scenarios give you a harsh reality check. Let me give you an example. You're hospitalized and diagnosed with a critical illness. 300,000 pesos ang bill. Without insurance, sino magbabayad niyan? Siyempre, ikaw. Paano kung wala kang ipon? Di mangungutang ka pa niyan. Problema mo pa, kanino ka lalapit. Pero with insurance, alam mo ba kung magkano na lang ang pwede maging hospital bill mo? Tama, zero. As in, pwedeng wala ka ng bayaran. Kasi si insurance company will provide funds for you. Remember, insurance is not an expense. It's protection, it's peace of mind. Ito yung sasalo sa'yo when you're faced with life's uncertainties. Good news, it's affordable and can be personalized based on your needs and preferences. Tag someone who can benefit from this and follow for more. O ngayon alam mo na, kaya hindi ka na maniniwala kapag may nagsabi sa'yo na